Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn off notifications on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on the settings icon to the upper right hand corner. Tap on notifications and now you can turn off notifications for mentioned memories. You can turn off notifications for all of these by unchecking any of them, and to turn off notifications for all and then deselect enable notifications. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.